how to delete Google searches, or you can say how you can delete the Google my activities searches. So I will show you in this video. I'm going to show my Android phone, but if you're using desktop or laptop, you can follow the same step. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, you can see I'm on my Android phone, and if I search something, if I touch sub searching here, you can see there is a suggestion. You can see there is a suggestion history, you can see. And if you want to delete it, so there is a one option you can delete. First you have to log in with your account, and now go to the Google My Activities, search here Google My Activities, and the click on this first link, and here you can see your all activities with this email ID. Now come to uh, down and click on delete, and here you can delete all range. And now you have to unselect all and just select search. Okay, and if you want to delete everything like YouTube search, everything from here, you have to select everything, select all, and just click on next. Okay, so I just select image search also, and Google help, Google apps. Okay, and just click on next, retry. Okay, so delete. So it is deleted. Now relaunch your Chrome browser. I just relaunch my Chrome browser, and now if I go to the Google and try to search here, you can see all suggestion or you can searches has been deleted. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.